This quick video guide, we're going to talk about Grok AI, which is another artificial intelligence tool that we can use. We already saw a lot of those, and we can continue here. And of course, you can search it in Google. You'll find many results, but we're going to go here at the top. And at the moment, we have also the Grok 2 beta release. So it's a new version, and it's going to be always like evolving and creating new version probably, if it doesn't change the name or things like that. So I'm going to go directly here and the first result, Grok AI, and we can try it now. And it's free. We don't need to buy anything or do anything. Just we need to sign in with a Google account, Apple account, or a mail. Now go through all the steps which I skipped in the video, but essentially you need to give some information. And here also is asking us for 3 interests. So I'm gonna go for like horticulture, entertainment, and gaming. So it's going to guide you also here. Well, you can be more specific if you want. I'm just gonna skip this and go forward. And now we need to follow at least one of these suggestions. I'm gonna go for one of these, and let's continue. So right now we are in X, and we can now start doing things, but let's jump directly into Grok. You'll find it here in the list on the left side, the little square with the slash. And then we can start writing the prompts, which means we can ask whatever we want. You can just, just type, or you can kind of chat. So you can say, okay, do this, do that. So I start here with the first generated image. So I can change anytime. I can, add stuff. It's going to give you some suggestion that you can use. So I'm going to start adding first the suggestion that I find down there. And so there you go. I start creating images with vibrant colors. And then let me make this a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go the settings of the browser here. I'm going to increase the zoom so I can see a little bit better, and you can see a little bit better. And so this is, images of New Year, so something, I don't know, frightening, inspiring. We can do whatever we want, and we can change we can change anytime. We can switch. So I'm gonna go here, like add some more words like new planet, exploration, travel, and create some visuals for this. And you can also create a story. So once you give the basic like keywords or things like that, you can generate a cover of a book. You can generate any graphic design. So you just need to be pretty specific. And you see these are really realistic photographic images. They're looking pretty fantastic in a way. So fantasy, science fiction, you can do whatever. You can also share the images for having feedback. So you can share it with colleagues, with the students, with professors, or wherever, if you're doing exams or teamwork. And again, you can generate, and if you continue to generate, it's going to generate more images. So it's like doing brainstorming. It's like, okay, let's see what's gonna come out of these initial ideas that and initial keywords. Now, if you want, you can also be more precise. You can guide the artificial intelligence with some indications, and also click on the 3 dots. You can save the image if you want, and you can open it up with another application. If you want to do like a book or uh, a flyer, you can open it with Photoshop or InDesign, or you can use it in a 3D for a background. You can use it in photography to do photo montage, and it's not too high in terms of pixels, but we high quality, but we can also enhance it using other tools and also other websites. And you can copy the text. You can continue. So let me like use now the image I just saved. So you can also upload images from your computer to guide the artificial intelligence. So let's say I want to reuse this, but I want to add some more stuff inside. So okay, it's not letting me do this. So sometimes there is something it doesn't understand. So don't give up. Try with different words. Try with different sentence or different question. So I want to create some positive vision in a way. So let's try with this new generation, new beginning. So maybe I'll put it in other words. I want to give some positivity, and it's answer me with the text. So it's kind of describing the image in a way. So I will be more precise here. I will say generate futuristic visual or image, positive image. So sometimes you need to be more specific just when you're inserting the prompts. Sometimes it automatically understands. Now it generated something concerning cities and future and positive, but we don't see any of the previous ideas. So let's say generate using previous results. So I don't want to give up on those that I created before. I just want to mash up everything. I want to do, if I go back here from the beginning, I started with kind of a past apocalyptic vision, and then I wanted to do a more positive of imagery, and it's creating now kind of another planet or planets in the sky and fireworks and everything we indicated before. It's now in the image. Let's add also with the neon accents, so to do something even more peculiar. And again, if I want, I can upload another image. I cannot upload video, I believe, at this stage, but maybe in the future they will, increase the number of features and possibilities that you can apply when generating images. And let's also add an inspirational quote for the new year. So let's celebrate the new year by adding this, but again, this is just text. So instead of generating just text, I want to put this into the image. So I like the embrace the future phrase. So I want to add an embrace the future text into the image. So be specific with that. Try to be as much precise as you can, also in the description. So, okay, it's not working. Let's generate and see if it's gonna work. Now I change here to put embrace the future text in image. So I change it slightly so it understands now. So again, don't give up. Try to do more variants to what you're trying to generate. It's because sometimes it doesn't understand, so you just need to say again. Now I want to do also want to add a Happy New Year, and I want to generate some ironic meme with a apocalypse thing. So I want to do something fun, ironic, something like that. Let's see if we can do it, because this is a really complex prompt, and it requires a higher, let's say, a level of intelligence, and it does find some difficulties. I want like a meme like image, so it's not really what I intended to do. So again, I'm gonna try. So first I'm gonna go with create a meme image, and so maybe sometimes you can split the instructions and not put everything on one single prompt. So maybe if you analyze and divide into pieces and do step by step, it's probably going to be better. So I don't really get the meme effect. So I'm going to specify that I want to put the text down and in a black background with the white text. And let's also specify that I want like a rectangle or a box. So now it should work better, but you need to try. So try, do some tests, experiment, try to change the way. And so I'm gonna add some other information, generate again, and that's it. So I'm getting closer and closer. I need to spend more time, try to define better my idea. I don't even know. I'm just improvising. So I just went for the new year and new year theme, but and also I can generate a story with this. So if I like type generate a story, then I can continue with this and like, I don't know, generate more chapters or whatever. and it can help with a lot of creative processes. So this will be all for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And if you want to thank us, support us, please join the channel as a supporter. Check our other courses and guides. See you in the next.